So, cooking with Jazzy. I should have showed y'all the ingredients. Making curry goat, Jamaican curry goat. And this one is a little less complex than the oxtail. So what I did, I chopped up the goat. I chopped up the goat here, washed it with water and vinegar, chopped up scallions. It's been marinating in the fridge for a little over 2 hours, or about 3 hours. It's really 2 hours should be. And I've got chopped onions, chopped scallions, 4 chopped cloves of garlic, a tablespoon of thyme, a tablespoon of curry powder, all grace seasoning, curry powder, and I'm going to add another tablespoon of the curry powder over it. Then I'm going to heat the oil in this pan, throw it in there, brown it, flip it over twice, then add 4 cups of water and put the top onto the pressure cooker. Let it simmer for a good hour and a half, and it should be deliciosa. And then hopefully this man doesn't want mashed potatoes or something simple like that with it. Then I can show y'all how I make the Jamaican rice and peas. Stay tuned, y'all.